I'm so excited! We've been stuck in a pandemic world for so long that my family finally decided to get away to nearby Ocean City. So today I'm gonna take you on a tour of the Hilton Suites in Ocean City, and I'll show you just how big these rooms really are. I'm Shannon Germain, and this is Nix the Norm. I'm so excited! We finally went on a quick getaway to Ocean City just to remind ourselves how great it is to vacation since it's been so long. So today I'm going to show you my amazing suite that I got at the Hilton Suites in Ocean City. I'll give you a complete room tour, plus a little input about Ocean City and the hotel in general. If you love travel like I do, I hope that you will like this video and please subscribe today. So here's the lobby. They have a Starbucks right in the lobby, which is really cool. And they have my favorite, the caramel frappuccino. They don't have as many options compared to your typical Starbucks restaurant, so I didn't get a caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino like I usually do, but it tasted really good. And they even gave us essentially a full cup of an extra frappuccino for free. It opens to the waterfront and the pools, and there's some steep stairs to get to the beach. There's no boardwalk there to cross. This is the adults pool. And this is the kids pool. The pools were closed when we went. As a kid, I loved our pool and the water slides. They put a sticker on to show that the room was cleaned and hadn't been accessed. The first thing to see is the living area. The sofa converts into a bed and it's really comfy, but the room's a little small after I open the bed. It's really dark and there's not much lighting and no windows except the balcony. There's a door separating the living room and kitchen area from the double bedroom with the balcony. The eating area is a table for 4. Here's the dresser, and the TV comes with a DVD player. There's a full kitchen with lots of cabinets for storage, and it's fully equipped with everything you need, including dishes, silverware, and pots. So you don't have to bring any or always eat out at restaurants. But one of the coffee mugs was dirty, but everything else was clean. So check your dishes before you use them. The kitchen also has a closet with an iron and ironing board. It has a microwave, an oven, a full-size fridge, a dishwasher, a blender, a toaster, a can opener, a full-size stove, and also has a coffee and tea maker. The bathroom has a double vanity and a magnifying mirror. It's pretty spacious, but if you have more than one kid, you might want to get a hanging travel organizer, because if you store your stuff on the sink, it will get really wet. I put the link to my favorite in the description below, but really anything that hangs from a towel hook will work. You can see here that the bathroom is right off the kitchen. I didn't try the Whirlpool Tub. The tub is huge and jetted and it's really clean, but there are many cons. When I sit on it, you can even feel the plastic sink down a bit, so it's really outdated. There's no directional shower head, so you couldn't get all of yourself rinsed. I hated it. Out of everything, this was my biggest complaint. Also, the towel hook was broken. The bedroom is right by the kitchen. It has a balcony and 2 queen-size beds. Some have a king-size bed. It's a pretty standard room. There's outlets in the lamp, so it's handy for charging phones. This closet with the safe has extra linens for the sofa bed, but we had to request new ones because it looked like someone had used the blankets and stuffed it back in the case, so be sure to check that. It has a dresser with storage and a TV with a DVD player. The balcony has an amazing view of the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see, the floor is really in need of a redo. There's all these paint chips that stick to your feet and track inside. The pool might get noisy when it's open, but honestly, the ocean's so loud that I doubt that would be a problem. After you go down the stairs, this is the very short walk to the beach. It was too cold to swim when we went. This is how close to the boardwalk the hotel is. Some people might like being this far from the boardwalk because it's quieter and less crowded. Other people might miss the activity of the boardwalk being right at their doorstep. This is where the boardwalk starts. And this is the hotel. We went off season, so there wasn't much to eat. We got sandwiches at Anthony's Liquors, and they were fantastic. We also got pizza at Ripeno's, and that was so good. Also, you can save a ton by stocking up on groceries and eating in your room. So there it is, the Hilton Suites getaway that I desperately needed on the tail end of a pandemic that never seemed to end. I hope you like this video and please subscribe because hopefully I'll be doing lots of traveling in the future. Stay safe and healthy everyone, and thanks for watching.